YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, Amigo the Entrepreneur. Yeah, we ain't gonna lie, it's cold out here today. It's cold out here today, ain't it, babe? Get what though? We still finna get.
Yeah, we'll warm up.
Yeah, we still finna get y'all the business though. Look, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm finna show y'all what we doing. I'm finna flip the camera around right now, y'all. Stay tuned. Watch this. Man, we gotta watch this big thing right here. This house. Cleaning this pool deck up. All this got to get cleaned up. Yeah. All of this down here too. I'm gonna spray this down with some solution. All the railings and all that, I'm gonna spray all that down. Clean all that up. But yeah, all the concrete, the walls, all of that. Yeah, all of this. This deck right here. We're gonna bring it back to life. All this concrete right here. And we're gonna start right there. So from right there, all of this right here. All of that. Let me show y'all the front of the house and everything else. Watch this house. I don't know if y'all can see that sun kind of hitting a little bit. We're gonna clean this up right here. Front walkway. All this. Get all this cleaned up. I'm about to set up, y'all, and get started right now. Let's go. There we go. I'm about to apply the chemical to all of this first, to the concrete. Go on and clean all this up, this front porch and stuff, and then I'm gonna apply the chemical to this. We're gonna wash the front of the house. I'm gonna apply it to the side over there too. Go on and knock it on out. We're gonna go and knock this house and stuff out. And we can go and get to the back. The real work is in the back. This is light. It's light work. The real work is in the back, man. The house ain't no problem. All this ain't no problem. The real work is in the back. It ain't no problem though. It ain't nothing. Small thing to a giant. Like T.I. said, pull that hole for me, babe. Yeah, she out here, she ain't never far. She ain't never that far away, ever. Alright. Going to put some of this chemical on right here, let it dwell for a little minute. Get some good dwell time on it while I knock that front out. I won't have to do nothing but get into it when I get back here. Get right on into it. I won't have to do nothing but get right on into it when I get back here. I'm gonna spray all that. All this. Go on and let this dwell. You can never go wrong with dwell time on concrete. Letting it sit. Huh? I'm finna go on and spray it up here on this deck. This deck's super dirty. Go on and hit this deck. Let that go on and hang out for a little while. Let the solution hang out for a while. Put a hot mix on it if I have to. What's up, baby?
What's going on?
Go on and put some of this down on this pool deck. Let this chemical hang out. It's gonna be that set for a good minute. It's gonna come up so easy when we start surface cleaning. It's gonna look great back here. I might just go and spray this deck down and let the solution hang out for a minute. This is dirty as green. Good thing this pool already dirty, cause when they clean it, they gonna put chlorine in here anyway. They gonna put sodium hypochlorite in this pool. Same thing we cleaning this deck with. So it really ain't gonna matter. It really ain't gonna even matter. I gotta swing that thing over there, y'all. This pool. Gonna let that hang out for a minute. Gonna let that hang out. We'll be back. We'll be back to rinse all this later. All this.
When I say my man don't come to play, my man come to get this junk done. You hear me? He don't play.
Getting this front rinse down. Got everything else clean. About to rinse this side over here too. Rinse this side and this front. And then we about to go and start on the surface cleaning on the concrete going on around down to the pool. I'm gonna knock that deck out. We're gonna eat that pool up and it's over with. Stay tuned. about to start surface cleaning from right here all the way on around till I get right here. Put my turbo nozzle on all that. I'm gonna touch this deck up, rinse it down real good, cause we already got the solution on it. You can see it done killed a lot of it. Solution on all of that already. Been hanging out. That deck is clean. We just gotta rinse. Put the surface cleaner on that. She bagged down there with the hot mix. She putting it on all that. That's gonna be a piece of cake, man. Piece of cake, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. About to start doing all of this. Finish rinsing all this. Hit that deck. Wash the back of that house. From right here on over. I did all this on over. Rinsing this now. About to hit that patio. All of that. And then it's over. It's a wall right there too. Stay tuned. Getting this thing rinsed down. Good old rinse. Gonna rinse everything. Beautiful backyards, boy. Big houses, all on got pools. House goals, man. What up, my lady? You good?
What's going on? I got this. Got it. I'm handling it.
Say no more. I got an extra hose right here. Brand new. Just in case I think there might be 2 hoses in here. But yeah, man, just in case I need it, I got 2 more hoses in here. Gotta stay ready. Get all this rinsed down, just from right here to right there where she at. Rinse this ground down one more time, good rinse on it. We got to do out here too, just a little bit. Watch this right here. Touch all that up right there. Spray up. Hit all that. Get all this rinsed down, just from right here to right there where she at. Rinse this ground down one more time, good rinse on it. We got to do out here too, just a little bit. Watch this right here. Touch all that up right there. Spray up, hit all that. Alright, y'all, look what we got. Clean, clean. Everything. Front walkway and all this porch, all this stuff clean down through here. We did not have to do the driveway. But we got the house white, like milk. Back patio. All this walkway clean. House clean all the way up and around. Windows clean, no streaks. No streaks on the windows. Deck. Back to life. Stairs. Looking good. Even made sure I hit all that. Ain't looking good down through here. I mean, all the way down, all the way to back on the back side, all the way up. Oh, that's clean. Everything. The wall. All this stuff. The diving board clean. Got all that cleaned up too. All that. Everything. Who next? Hey, if you don't have a soft wash system, do not be scared to use a pump-up sprayer, man. I'm telling you. And they get a little distance on them if you pump it up tight enough. Stay down with what you got, man. Everything looking good down there. One more time, y'all. YouTube, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with the boy. Y'all know we gonna give y'all that work every time. Every time we gonna give y'all the good content, the bad content. We ain't gonna give y'all no bad content. If it's bad, I ain't gonna even put it out though. Well, we sure about to get up out of here though, man. It's over. We gotta get back to Decatur where it's greater. Tell them folks you out, babe.
I'm out, y'all. Y'all go like, subscribe. Browns Washington TV.
We out of here.